see the...
Oh, right. Oh, there it is. Right through. Look at that.
Put your hand in my hole.
Yeah, it's
I was just, yeah, I was like, does that go right through, or am I just not seeing the lens?
right through.
Sorry, I put my finger in your hole, Molly.
Yes. You put the whole hand in.
Even on the other side, eh? Even on the other side?
It goes right into the air.
Oh, okay.
It's like a ram air.
Oh, they got the slots in there to...
Can we see it? The holes. They're in there?
Right there. And it goes right
See,
through.
you can see
Oh, okay.
They gave me
Gotcha.
that box, but I don't have the tube, so there was just a hole.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. That actually works. That actually works, eh?
Yeah.
That actually works. Cool things down. And then the other side, I guess, the same thing. Because the Hemis, they do have that heat sink issue, right?
Yeah.
They just get super hot.
Yeah, this would just put just cold air into it. And you can see that. You can see the.
Oh, right. Oh, there it is. Right through. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad.
I guess I didn't.
Oh, it's Jordan.
She's from like